Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome to the class of value education. Okay, so we will start with chapter number 2, that is simple living. Okay, so let's just read first. We will read the story. Okay, so the story starts with Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a very wise man. He had read many books. He had set up schools for both boys and girls in India. So they are saying that Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was a very smart and very wise man. He had read many books and also had set up schools for students, for boys and girls, both of them. Everyone loved and respected him. He was so well educated and smart, so everyone loved and respected him. Vidyasagar was a simple man and he lived a very simple life. One day, a rich man invited Vidyasagar to a feast. Okay, so one day, a very rich man invited Vidyasagar for a dinner, a feast where everyone eats together. Okay, he went to the feast dressed in a simple dhoti, kurta, and a shawl. Now you can see in the picture given here that Vidyasagar is dressed as Mr. Vidyasagar is dressed in dhoti, kurta, and shawl. That was a simple dressing, right? So the watchman at the gate thought he was a poor man. When Vidyasagar went at that feast, the watchman over there thought that Vidyasagar was a poor man. So, go away, the watchman said. This feast is for rich people. Fine. The watchman saw Vidyasagar and rudely he said him that you should go away. This feast, this dinner is only for rich people. So Vidyasagar went home and changed his clothes. He wore trousers and a shirt. He put on a tie. Then he wore socks and shoes. He went back to the feast. This time the watchman saluted him and let him in. So now when watchman said him no, the Vidyasagar went home and he changed his clothes into a fancy clothes, that is he wore trousers and shirt. Also he put on a tie. Then he also wear shoes and socks. He went back to the dinner. Now this time when he went there, the watchman saluted him. After looking at his clothes and his appearance, the watchman saluted and let him in. He let him go into the dinner. At the table, Vidyasagar joined the other guests for dinner, but he did not eat. Instead, he offered the food to his clothes. Right? Now, when everyone was sitting at the table, they were having dinner. Right? So Vidyasagar joined all the guests, but he did not eat the dinner. Instead, what he did? He started offering his food to the clothes he was wearing. Right? See, in this picture you can see that he is offering the spoonful of food to his clothes. Everyone was puzzled. The host said, "What are you doing, Vidyasagar ji?" Everyone was shocked. They were all like, what Mr. Vidyasagar is doing? So the host who organized the dinner asked Vidyasagar that what are you doing, Vidyasagar ji? Vidyasagar said, when I was dressed in simple clothes, I was not allowed to come inside. But when I came dressed in grand clothes, I was let in. I thought it was the clothes that you had invited, so I am feeding the clothes. So, when the host asked Vidyasagar ji replied that I was dressed in simple clothes. He was wearing dhoti, kurta and shawl, right? So, I was in simple clothes. So, that's why I was not allowed. I was not allowed to enter in this particular dinner. But when I dressed in trousers, coat and this tie, the watchman let me in. Okay, so I think that you have not invited me, but you have invited clothes. That's why I am offering this food to the clothes I am wearing. The host was embarrassed. I am sorry, we respect you for what you are, not for what you wear, he said. So, after Vidyasagar said this thing, host was so embarrassed and shocked. So that's why after that he said that he was sorry, and he said that everyone respects you for what you are, for what you are doing, right? We respect you for what you are doing, for what all good deeds you have done, but not for what you wear. Okay? So what you learn from this story, that it's the work that counts, not what you wear that counts. Okay? So this is the story.